If you want to learn how to close your pool down for the winter, but not take it down, follow along with this video and I'll show you how. First thing you want to do is you are going to drain out some of the pool until it gets down to the filter so you don't burn it out. And once you get that drain down to the certain point, you're going to go ahead and remove your hoses, or if you hard piped it, you want to remove those. And then what we did is we just hooked up the garden hose to the drain in the bottom of the pool, and we ran it all the way along till we got to the back, got it back to the storm drain, and then we are running it down there and going to drain it from there.
Make sure to drain your sand filter. You don't want it to freeze over the winter. I usually leave mine out for a couple days to make sure the sand is pretty dry before I put it in there so it can't swell up and crack.
Next, you want to take a bottle of bleach and you're just going to go around the pool and you are just going to pour it in there. We do this every year. It does not eat the liner. It's just enough for when you're going to reopen it. And then you're just going to keep it in there all year. It's going to help prevent it from turning green with the leftover water that's in there. And then when it's time to reopen, you're just going to go ahead and flush it out and then open up your pool.